If your Audi Q3 keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, it is usually a simple hardware or software conflict. Data shows that up to 80% of intermittent disconnects are simply caused by a worn-out Lightning or USB-C cable. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to stabilize your MMI interface. Start by swapping your cable, cleaning your phone port, and confirming your iPhone is fully updated. If hardware is fine, refresh the sync by forgetting the device in both the Audi MMI and your phone. Check for software interference like active VPNs or Wi-Fi conflicts, which can interrupt the data stream. Most issues are simple fixes, but if the port itself is physically loose, you may need a dealer inspection. As you can see, the vast majority of connectivity problems are resolved by addressing the physical connection. Always test a second phone to determine if the issue lies with your device or the car's MMI system. Keep a high-quality certified cable and some compressed air in your glove box for quick maintenance. Remember that stable connectivity is key to enjoying your Audi experience on the road. If these steps do not fix your connection, consult your local Audi dealer for an MMI firmware diagnostic.